In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile view only on Squarespace tutorial. If you've ever built a page that looks great on a laptop but feels cramped on a phone, this walkthrough is for you. Squarespace gives you a dedicated mobile view so you can fine-tune how your content appears on smaller screens without disrupting your desktop layout. Let's make your site feel polished and easy to use for visitors on the go. Start by opening your page in the editor and switching to the mobile view at the top of the screen. You'll see the canvas change to a phone-sized frame. This puts you in a mode designed for small screens so you can focus on legibility, spacing, and stacking. It's normal for things to look a bit different here. That's the point. The layout tools are tuned for touch-friendly vertical viewing, and you'll be able to adjust elements so they flow naturally on a phone. Once you're in mobile view, click into any text block you want to refine. Edit the wording directly on the page, just like you would on desktop. Keep paragraphs concise, use short sentences, and break up long lines so they're easy to scan. Headings should be clear and not overwhelm the screen. While you're typing, glance at how the lines wrap. Readability on mobile often comes down to comfortable line length and generous spacing. Remember that content changes, like the words themselves, are shared across devices, so you're not creating a different story for mobile. You're shaping the same message to read beautifully in a tighter space. Aim for clarity and brevity, and watch how each adjustment improves the flow. Beyond text, you can edit other elements in mobile view to get the layout just right. Images can be resized or repositioned so they don't dominate the screen. Buttons should be large enough to tap comfortably and placed where they're easy to find. Spacing blocks can help create breathing room between sections, reducing clutter and preventing accidental taps. Drag items to reorder them into a sequence that makes sense for a vertical scroll. Think headline, supporting text, then a clear call to action. As you tweak these elements, notice how the mobile canvas reflects the changes immediately, letting you craft a smooth, thumb-friendly experience. When everything feels balanced and readable, take one last look in the mobile view to confirm the flow, then switch back to desktop if you want to compare. With these focused adjustments, your Squarespace site will feel coherent and polished on phones, all while keeping your desktop design intact.